Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're concerned about your electronic devices running out of battery when you need them the most, then you need this LanLuk power bank. I'm so impressed with how long the battery on this lasts. I can charge my phone or tablet 5 or 6 times before the battery actually runs out. This was so helpful when we recently stayed at an off-grid cabin. It helped me to keep my devices up and running so that I could still stay connected with people. It has 2 USB-A ports and a micro USB port, and I found that to be perfect for the devices that I have. We were even able to take this on the plane without any issues. It fits in perfectly into many of our smart bags, and I like that because then I can just tuck it away and then use my charging cord so it's out of sight. I wouldn't leave home without this LanLuk power bank. It has come in handy so many times and definitely saved me when my battery was about to die. But that's just my point of view.